guys, so we got the package today and we ordered this one Saturday. No, yeah, Saturday. So we'll see. This is my first time ordering this product. We got it from Amazon. So it's the electric glass kettle. It's 1.2 liters. It looks small, the boxes. So we'll see. Welcome to my channel. Aww. It's actually cute. There you go. Alright. Ooh. It feels heavy. Alright, so that's the top. There's a button over here. And it says over there. And this one is stainless steel on the bottom. There you go. So this is the plate where you put that thing so it will heat up. It's kind of like this is the machine. Okay. So you're just gonna take off that wire and then plug that in, put this in, and boom, that's it. Actually, my bad. I think this one is just a connection for the power, and the machine is right inside here in the stainless steel because it's heavy. That's it. So you're just gonna press that down. Here's the button right here. You push it, it will open up for you. Okay. And this one has the little strainer.
Hey, that's really cool.
It has a good review in Amazon, reason why I got this. So we'll see how it works. I got this one for probably $20.
$20?
All right, there you have it. There you go, you plug it. Ew, look at the color. Mother. Yeah, look, mother. All right, there you have it. Bye.